Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to make this cute little hedgehog slimline card. I wanted to keep it very subtle and very simple, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's make a card. We're going to start off with Whisper White, a full sheet, and we're going to cut it. Bring in the trimmer. We're going to cut it at 7 inches. So the long edge, 11.5, the 11 side is towards the top. Short edge is on the 7, and we're going to cut it. I'm going to set the large piece aside. Now the smaller one, I'm going to take this and trim it down 1/4 inch on all sides. 1 and 2. All right, done with the paper trim. Set this aside. And now I'm going to stamp. I'm going to use the hedgehog, and I'm going to stamp everything in gray granite. Again, I want to go for that very subtle look. Put my little hedgie down here. Hold it down, let the ink absorb. Set him aside. Then I'm going to grab the mushrooms and stamp this one about here. Free ink. Stamp again about here. And then last one, we'll do another up here. There we go. Set that aside. Go ahead and bring in my sentiment. And I'm using Wishing You Every Kind of Wonderful. And we're going to put it right below my little hedgie. There we go. Again, set this aside. Now let's go ahead and we're going to color the hedgehog using our Stampin' Blends. I'm going to color his, that's not my bones and joints, that's my chair. We're going to start off with a light Petal Pink and color his little belly. And then I'm going to color his eyes blue. I don't know if hedgehogs have blue eyes, but mine does. And then I'm going to be using the light and dark gray granite. Come on. And this one is the light. Go in, give it some color. Great thing with these Stampin' Blends, they just do a wonderful job of coloring with such a great impact. Okay, come in with the dark. And I'm just flicking, creating his little fur. Get his feet. No rhyme or reason, you're the artist. Then I came back in with the light soft suede. Give him a little bit brown. Here and there. A little in his ear. I think I'm going to come back with the light gray granite and fill in his nose just a little bit more, in his whiskers. All right. We'll let that soak. And then I just created some grass around him and the wishes. So this is light old olive. And I'm just creating some grass for him to sit in. And all I'm doing is flicking. That's it. Now I'm going to set this aside to dry. Then I'm going to bring in the base, and this is where I cut at 7 inches. I'm going to fold it in half at 3.5. Give it a good crease. And I'm going to take, again, the gray granite, and I'm going to do direct to paper. So folded it, and I'm just going to swipe it. That's it. Don't really care what's going on the inside because I'm going to be covering that up. And that's good. Close this up because you know I'll put my finger in it. No! Oh, I folded it at the wrong side. Okay, don't throw it away. We'll use it for something else. Quickly grab some more Whisper White. Cut it at 7. Right there. Slide it over, score it at 3.5 so I don't mess up again. All right. Hey, it happens. Okay, fold it. And now, set this aside, both of those aside. Oh my goodness. Now, again, take your gray granite, just drag it across. Get a cool background effect. And we only care about the edges. There we go. Close this up again. Let's see. I need to trim this down a little bit more. Take off about 1/4 at the top. Oh, that was my score blade. Try again. There we go. And a little on this side. And a little on this side. And let's take a little, just a shave on the bottom. There we go. Now we've got it. My goodness, that was painful. And let's add some adhesive. There we go. And then we can place this right down the middle. There. All right. Even with the little mistake, we're good. It's a card. It's homemade. It is not Hallmark. So this is what the prototype was supposed to be, and this is what I made. But you know what? I like it. I like the gray background. Kind of gives that woodsy feel. So anyways, please subscribe, like, share, comment on this post. I will have a list of all the supplies that I've used in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.